from two lists, place rows 1 and 3 and 1 and 2 into a new single column. Sounds simple enough, yeah? Here we have this nice looking worksheet with a bunch of different examples that I'm going to explain to you using a bunch of different tools. We're going to use TOCOL and VSTACK. What are they? Tools that were introduced 2022, but there's a condition. Here's the condition. I'm using Excel 2021. What's the output? It's not an error, it's a name issue. Excel's forcing us to do something that I don't agree with, but who am I? I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. I'm going to explain TOCOL and VSTACK, the combination and the time savings of these new tools. Let me show you what's going on. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We're going to combine VSTACK, the TOCOL. We're going to stack this Lego block and this Lego block into this column. I'm going to do this 4 times. Not going to go over every one of these. Here's the layout. We have TOCOL, and we know what the arrangement is there. VSTACK. All we're doing is pointing to our arrays. You remember the array? We have the array B5 to D7, and we have this B10 to D11. Once we have this within VSTACK, that's going to be our array. We're not using any other arguments. The output is going to be this information by row. Second, we're going to do this, but we're going to sort this by column. That means we're going to go down here, dates 59, 77, and I doubt if I incorporated any errors. I did this on purpose to keep it as simple as possible. Here, in this third example, we stretch this out. We want to make this show in order, rows 1, 2, and 3 into a new single column. So you can see what happens when you extend your column further than your lists. You can get NA errors. In this fourth, and that is sorted by row. I did not incorporate any ignore arguments, just to simplify this. And then the second, we're going to see, use this true function, and you want to sort this thing out, and you're going to see how the NA is dispersed when we overshoot the number of columns that we're trying to incorporate. How do we fix this? Well, we could throw in this ignore blanks and ignore errors, but that's not the point here. I just want to introduce the VSTACK and HSTACK. Sorry, I didn't point out that this is the HSTACK, and you can see the output is pretty much the same. We have peach, figs, mango. We have dates, banana, tomato. That's the difference here with HSTACK versus VSTACK. We're stacking horizontal. We're going to go peach, fig, mango, dates, banana, tomato. We're going to go across as opposed to going down. Then we really can toss in a curveball here. We can go peach, 1 and 4. We're overriding the HSTACK by incorporating this true sorting by column. The outcome is peach 1, 4, cherries. It overrides the intermingling of the data here and just captures the column information first, then moves on to the second list, incorporates that data. Here we have fig 10, figs and 10, and we get the NA. Then we get grapes 11 NA, melon 12 NA. I'll let you think about why that happens. Up above, and you can see we have the 3 NAs going across here. What does that represent? Read the narrative if you need to, or plug and chug. Throw in the numbers, see what kind of combination you get. If you want to change this choose ran between and throw in errors in space, go over here to the end, put a comma, put 2 spaces, put a comma, double quotes, and put another comma, then put 5 divided by 0. Change this from 20 to 22, then copy paste your entire list, both lists. And you're going to be able to see any errors or blanks. You can incorporate that however you want. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Hope that helped. Be sure to check out all of our Excel courses. Excel Essentials. This is for individuals new to Excel. We have an advanced, excellent beginners, level 1 and level 2, and intermediate level course. Excel Formulas, formulas only. We have a beginner, an advanced, and an intermediate level course. Click on any of the links. There's a short video that explains everything about the course. Check it out. Mousetrap I'm talking about to use these tools is Excel and Microsoft are going to force us to use their 365 version. Now there's a free online version, but it's limited, so eventually you're going to end up having to pay Microsoft.